Alright, this is a test. We're going to test the audio levels on one of these old render farm units. I've got a single cage that has 6 units in it. That's what we're going to start with. I'm going to power it up. First I'm going to power on the chassis, and then I'm going to power on the units, and then I'm going to shut everything down. And that's what it sounds like when they're all on and not doing a lot of extra work. Alright, that's it. Our total pull on the chassis and these with 6 units in it is looks like 8 amps.